Are you tired of dealing with unexpected appliance breakdowns? Imagine never having to worry about your appliances breaking down again. At Quality Home Repair Services, we believe in proactive maintenance. Just like changing your car's oil or cleaning your dryer vent, your home appliances need regular TLC to stay in top shape. Unlike homeowners' insurance or warranties that only fix things after they break, our service plan covers everything before problems arise. No more deductibles, ever. If there's a defect or your unit isn't working, we'll diagnose the issue at no cost to you. Think about it. Regular maintenance means longer-lasting appliances, lower energy bills, and no more surprise breakdowns. Our experienced technicians handle everything from dryer vents to water filters, keeping your home running smoothly. Why wait for a disaster when you can prevent it? Join our proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance plan today and enjoy peace of mind, efficiency, and significant savings. Starting for less than $2.20 a day for our standard plan, give your home the care it deserves. Contact us now to enroll and say goodbye to appliance breakdowns forever. Our technicians are not just experts, they are passionate about keeping your home running smoothly. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your appliances are always in top condition. With our comprehensive maintenance plan, you can avoid unexpected costs and extend the life of your appliances. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them before they start. Our service includes regular checkups and cleaning to ensure everything runs smoothly. Don't let appliance issues disrupt your life. Take control with proactive care. Our team is here to support you every step of the way. Join our proactive appliance care and preventative maintenance plan today and experience the difference. Contact us now and start your journey to a worry-free home. Regular maintenance includes tasks like cleaning filters, checking for leaks, and ensuring all parts are functioning correctly. Lubricating moving parts can prevent wear and tear, extending the life of your appliances. Cleaning refrigerator coils can improve efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Staying informed about appliance recalls can prevent potential hazards and ensure your appliances are safe to use. With proactive care, you can enjoy a clean, efficient, and worry-free home environment. Our maintenance checklist covers all essential tasks to keep your appliances in top condition. Don't wait for problems to arise. Take action now and ensure your home runs smoothly. Enroll in our proactive appliance care plan to receive manufacturer-specified maintenance, complimentary defect diagnosis, and transparent repair estimates. All repairs require your approval before proceeding and incur additional costs for parts and labor. Additional terms and conditions apply. Please contact us for details. Contact us now and start your journey to a worry-free home. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.